Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm just going to show you one of the ways that I've been able to make money online between 2017 up to 2018 to this day, and it's going to be an amazing video. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel, just leave a comment if you have any questions. So with that being said, let's jump right into it. So my name is Kuda, and so before I show you one of the ways that I use to make money online, I just need to talk to you about the benefits of actually making money online. So yeah, like I said, I'm going to show you one of this is actually going to be a very short video, and I'm going to show you one of the ways, and I'm going to do in the near future, I'm going to do a length video which is about maybe 30 minutes to an hour that shows all the steps that I've been taking to set up this and be able to make monthly income without actually doing any work. Now like I said, there are so many ways of making money online, and this is actually one of the ways that I'm going to be sharing with you. But let's look at the benefit. Number one, the benefit of making money online is you get time freedom. What I mean by time freedom is you get to spend time with your family, with your loved ones, and you get to choose who you want to spend your time with. I mean, you know, you wake up in the morning, you're not rushing to work, and you don't have anyone pushing you, calling you to report to work, and all things like that. So it's actually a huge benefit for making money online. And again, the other benefit that I've actually experienced is you actually do the work once. I mean, a lot of people in the society, they go to work, get paid, go to work, get paid, go to work, get paid. The day that they stop working, that's the day that they stop making money. So the other benefit of making money online is you actually do the work once, and once you do the work, you get paid over and over and over and over if you properly set up your things. And actually there is so much more benefits as compared to working offline. So you just need to have the right mindset, use the right platforms to make money online. And the biggest reason is, what is your why behind making money online? I understand that a lot of people they jump online thinking that it's easier to make money online than offline. I'll tell you that if you want to make money online, you have to have a lot of patience. It's not going to happen overnight, and it is a lot of work. But what I can tell you is, whatever the work and sleepless nights you may face, the rewards are so much huge. When you get paid, the day that you get paid huge. Okay, even if you work for a year or 2 years without getting paid online, maybe the third year you actually get paid the money that you'd have made maybe in 5 years. So it happens. It has happened to me. I've actually gone through those stages. So let's jump into one of the ways that I use to make money online. So the first thing that I do is I do what is known as affiliate marketing. I actually refer clients to certain companies, and when I refer clients to certain companies, when they buy, I actually get a cut. Okay, so I use blogging, videos, I use quite a number of things that I use to get people to actually buy from companies that I'll be actually recommending them. So the website that you're looking at is called binary.com, and binary.com basically is used to trade binaries and forex. Okay, there's a lot of huge risk of losing money in forex, and right now during these days I don't really do a lot of binary, I don't really do a lot of forex trading, but I do just a little bit, but I make money. I make a lot more money from forex markets or binary markets without trading myself, and I'm going to show you how I do that. So if you look at this website, it's actually not one of the websites that I do use, but I use quite a lot of websites to bring clients to them. Now the process is like this. Okay, the process is like this. I refer a client to this company, a client pays, and I actually get a cut. I actually get a commission. So I use, like I said, blogging, Facebook, social media is what I use mostly. So if you scroll down to the back of this, to the end of this website, you see here where it says where I'm putting the red mark there, where it says affiliate program. So a lot of people, they don't understand what affiliate program is, and most people, when they're coming to this website, they're coming to have something that they can use for trading. And now the affiliate program is, I'm just going to click on the affiliate program, and you're actually going to come up to the affiliate page, and the first thing that they ask is, are you an investment professional? Do you run a website? Do you have a newsletter? You can earn money by becoming affiliate. You receive commissions on each account through your referrals. So what it means is, if I refer a client to this company, and it's actually free to become an affiliate. If I sign up here, which I already did, I've already actually signed up. I've been with this company, promoting this company for the past 1 year or 2 years right now, and I've been getting paid monthly on a monthly basis. So if you scroll down here, if you make sales between 0 to 10,000, you get about 20% commission. So if you sell, if you refer clients who pay maybe $1,000, that means you get 20% of 1,000. How much is it? 20% of 1,000? That's about $200. What is 20% of 5,000? That's about $500. That is actually a monthly income. So it actually depends with your marketing efforts, what you put out there to the people. And so what I've been doing is I've been promoting this over and over and over again. So as you can see here, they say forever cookies. The guys who do websites and they understand what cookies are. You can actually read through this website and how they actually pay and how it actually works. So with that being said, I hope this makes so much sense, and I'm just going to recap the video of what I've actually explained, and explain the process in a very, very simple term. So like I said, that I'm actually going to do a lengthy video which is about an hour or so of the I'll do maybe a case study of what I've actually been doing to set up this. So the first thing that I do, this is I love to do some drawings. This is the money, okay, that I want to make, and maybe this is me, okay. And now at this point, maybe I don't have the money, and I ask myself, how do I make the money? So the first thing that I do is I look at the market. I look at the market and see who wants to learn about forex trading, who wants to do binary trading. You know, there are people out there who wants to do that, and I have to warn you, forex trading and binary trading involves a high risk, and you can lose your money like nobody's business. And at the same time, you can make a lot of money, but it needs a lot of time to practice. So the people that do forex, or the people that do binaries, okay, they need what is known as a broker. Okay, they need a broker to do whatever they do. So what it means is, a broker is, they deposit their money into the broker, and when they make profits, they get returns. The broker facilitates that. Okay, so in this case, the broker is binary.com. okay, in this case, the broker is binary.com. And then now, when I look for the market, I look for the broker to actually create a free account, of which is free to actually promote their services. And at this stage, this is where I use social media, I use blogging and other different marketing methods to market online about this company. So what it means is, since this is an online based thing, I'm not limited. I stay in Zimbabwe. I'm not limited to promote this in Zimbabwe alone. I can promote using thanks to the internet. I can promote to Kenya, I can promote to Nigeria, Australia, New Zealand, India, anywhere in the world. So binary.com gives me what is known as a digital fingerprint. A digital fingerprint, or I would say an affiliate link. A digital fingerprint is something that carries my identity in it. So when people click on my digital fingerprint, they may not know that they're clicking on my digital fingerprint. And when they click on my digital fingerprint, it actually reports back to binary.com, and then my commissions get in every month. So this is where I do a lot of marketing, and sometimes setting up the marketing strategies, you set them up once. Okay, once you set them up, there are some strategies that I use that I call set and forget. I just set and forget, and then the money starts to actually roll in. So with that being said, this is the simple concept that I actually use, and I use it in so many businesses that I do online. So with that being said, subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tips, and I'll be doing a lengthy video and sharing with you the strategies, some of the strategies that I've been using to promote binary.com. With that being said, if you have any questions, if you like this video, just give it a thumbs up, and if you have any questions, just comment in the link below. I'll be more than happy to help you. Thank you very much. Bye for now.